Hello everyone, this is Shankar. In this video, we will do some exercises on TypeScript by using online editor. So let's get started. So online, so other way TypeScript online editor. So click on post link. This link I will provide description of this video as well. So see, this is the, so just refresh it. It will come look like initially. So we are now right, TypeScript will be converted into JavaScript, right, by using TypeScript compiler. So let's check difference between TypeScript and JavaScript between files. Suppose so where number number equal to suppose 100. See, run this file. So JavaScript will be like this, where n equal to 100. Here use strict. See here we are added data type. Here there is no type. So if you want to log response console dot log. So variable is n. So semicolon run. See log. This is the log is printed, right? If I want to check, this is the JavaScript code. So if I will remove this semicolon and running, it will throw any error. It is not throwing any error. Okay, bracket. Let's run. So see one. Let's check here. Expected. Okay, for this is for the variable declaration. Let's create a function or a method. How can I do? Function suppose addition. Add suppose x colon number comma y colon number. So brackets. This is a function, right? So if you want to pass return type as a also this function as of now no return type. You can consider like a void if you want to some return type. Suppose number. See, it is throwing the error. A function whose declared type is neither undefined or void or none any must return a value. It is saying it must return a value. So return x plus y semicolon. See, this is the similar JavaScript code. So if you want to print a result, so copy this console.log. Here add inside add 10 comma 22 parameters we need to pass, right? So run. See 30. If you want to JavaScript code, this is the JavaScript code. Type here, there is no type. So here in TypeScript, type safety is there. Here there is no type safety. We need to use strict this. So TypeScript will provide type safety and easy, right? So we can also declare classes as well, enums as well, etc. Thank you for watching. Next video I will explain how to install the TypeScript.